Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you some shocking statistics about Nigerian electricity and solar business statistics, which can help you to prepare to make money from the solar business in Nigeria. Here are powerful and current statistics you can use in your solar business projections and planning about making money from solar business in Nigeria. These figures will help you create urgency and convince you that solar is a massive business opportunity. Now, number one, about 80 to 90 million Nigerians still lack reliable electricity. Nigeria still has one of the largest electricity access gaps in the whole world. Around 80 million Nigerians still lack adequate electricity access, according to Nigeria's Minister of Power, that he gave in Radio Nigeria. Other reports estimate that about 86 to 90 million Nigerians are without reliable electricity access that we get from statistical. Now, imagine a country where almost half the population still struggles with electricity. That country is Nigeria, and that problem is creating billion naira opportunities in solar business. So if you can come in with solar that can give them electricity instead of petroleum, which is on the high side now, people are going to jump at it. Another statistics is that only about 51% to 61% of Nigerians have electricity access. Different reports show that nearly half of Nigerians either do not have electricity or do not enjoy stable power. The 2024 NDHS survey says only 51% of Nigerian households have electricity access. That's according to Planet Pulse Nigeria. Statistical reports electricity access at just over 61% of the population as at 2023. The interpretation of this is that even those connected to NEPA or PACN often experience blackouts for many hours daily. Another information or data is that millions of Nigerians are frustrated with electricity supply. Over 5.3 million customers still have no meter. NERC revealed that over 5.36 million electricity customers remain unmetered and are on estimated billing. This we got from Ripples Nigeria. Why does this matter? People are tired of estimated billing. People are tired of blackout. People that are tired of grid collapse. People are tired of expensive fuel and diesel, which they use in their generators. This frustration is pushing Nigerians toward solar energy. Another data which can help you as somebody who wants to go into solar business is that Nigeria's grid is extremely weak. Nigeria has installed capacity of around 13,000 megawatts, but often generates only about 1/3 of that, or sometimes half. According to Reuters, national grid collapse often happens repeatedly. Many homes and businesses rely on generators daily. Another issue here is that Nigeria is not suffering from lack of sunlight. Nigeria is suffering from lack of stable electricity. So if you are going to solar, which is going to use sunlight, then you are going to make money and people are going to demand for it. In fact, I was in a vehicle with somebody some time ago and he said he does not use solar, that they moved to a new site. They're not using solar because they're not using NEPA light. They're not using the municipal NEPA light because they're using solar, because solar is good for them and they are not having any problem. Another mother-in-law, mother-in-law, the wife of the mother of the wife of my friend, we were discussing, and he said the mother was extremely happy with solar, that because they took away the transformer in the area, so they had no light for some time, they were forced to go and make solar. And then after using it for 3 years, they were saying that why haven't they done solar long time ago? Solar demand in Nigeria is also exploding. Nigeria imported over 1,700 megabytes of solar panels in 1 year, and the number is increasing, making it one of Africa's biggest solar markets, according to Reddit. Some solar installers reported 35% growth in demand, according to Reddit. What this means is that solar is no longer future business in Nigeria. It is current money-making business in Nigeria. Now, another reason why you should go into solar installation or solar business or any part of it is because fuel prices are forcing Nigerians to go into solar. After fuel subsidy removal, generator running costs became extremely expensive. Many Nigerians now prefer solar home systems, solar inverters, solar boreholes, solar freezers, solar street lights, solar CCTV, solar freezers, and many more. Now, every increase in fuel price creates more customers for solar business. Another reason why you should go into solar business is because rural Nigeria is a massive untapped solar market. Rural electricity access in some places is as low as 24% or less, according to Reddit. Millions of villages remain off-grid. This is a business opportunity. People can make money from solar installation, solar training, solar retail shops, solar batteries, solar inverters, solar maintenance, solar mini grids. So if you are looking at your son, your daughter, you're looking at what business can they go into as a side hustle or as a skill they could learn as they are still going to school, let them learn solar by the side. And I'm telling you, you may be surprised, as they are going get into school, if they know it very well, they are going to be sending money home instead of you sending money to them in school because of the business they'll be doing with that solar while they are in school during their free time. Nigerians already spend huge money on alternatives. Many homes spend monthly on petrol, diesel, generator repairs, candles, rechargeable lamps. Solar sellers can position solar as cheaper, long-term, quieter, cleaner, and more reliable. So, Nigeria's electricity problem is no longer just a problem. It is a business opportunity for you and for me and for everyone. You can see I'm going to make money from it as many people watch this video, and I'm going to make this video in series. So it's a business opportunity for me already. I'm making money from making content about it. You are going to make more money if you now go into the installation. And if you're into solar installation or sales of solar, contact me so that we can do business together and I can talk about what you do and give them your number and share your information with them. So anyone that wants to do solar, they are going to come to you. Millions of Nigerians are desperate for stable power supply. Whoever solves electricity problem in Nigeria will make serious money. And one of the fastest growing solutions today is solar energy. So this is all I have for you today about this. I'm going to come to you again on other ways by which you can make money from solar. You know, Aso Rock is also on solar now. So that is the next thing I'm going to talk about in the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video for family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.